there's a quote from the famous bank robber Willie Sutton. They said, "Why do you rob banks?" And he said, "That's where the money is." Right? Yeah. Where's the money in ecosystem selling?
I think ultimately the money is in this notion of being the trusted advisor and providing value, orchestrating all the resources to provide value to the customer, where you're taking the lead in terms of really addressing, first of all, understanding the needs, but then addressing the needs and collecting a commission for the service you're providing. And I think, again, this is all early stage, but our belief is over time, the trusted advisor is going to be paid based on impact achieved. It's not just a time and materials kind of thing. It's if I'm providing X amount of value, I take a percentage of that for the service that I provided. That's a big revenue opportunity. And I think the other thing that makes us interested in this whole trusted advisor model is the more I know about you as a customer, the more helpful I can be relative to somebody who's just seeing a small slice of your needs or activities. They can be helpful on the margin, but if I'm seeing you holistically and serving you in a broad range, it's going to be very hard to compete with me. So there's what we call economies of scope. The more I know about you, the more helpful I can be, the more revenue I'm going to generate. And by the way, the more other customers I'm serving, the more helpful I can be to you as an individual customer, because I can start to see patterns and say, customers like you have gotten huge value from this kind of product or service. You've never even asked for it. Maybe you should.